Hello with your National Weather Forecast video as we take a look at what we're expecting for tomorrow. That's for Tuesday the 23rd of December. First, the national picture, and across the north of the country we do have a number of surface troughs and low pressure systems, and together they are driving quite unsettled conditions with rain, showers and thunderstorms all the way from the Kimberley to the top end and into northern Queensland. And on Tuesday we could also see the development of the monsoon trough. You can see that here represented by this white line that will mark the first monsoon onset of the wet season across northern Australia. Through Tuesday afternoon, showers and thunderstorms become more widespread across the east coast. We could also see severe thunderstorms across parts of southeast Queensland, inland Queensland and northern New South Wales. And for latest information on that, we do have a dedicated severe weather update video. For the rest of the country though, we are expecting clear conditions due to this high pressure system to the south. That's bringing clear skies to central Australia and also Western Australia, really heating up across the west coast. For southeast Australia, we do have a cold front that will move through Tasmania later on Tuesday night, reinforcing showers, and with those westerly winds also reinforcing those cooler conditions for much of Victoria and parts of South Australia. So now state by state look, starting off with Queensland. We can expect showers and thunderstorms for pretty much all districts except for the far southwest. In the northwest and around the Gulf country, we could see that tend to areas of rain as well as heavy rainfall. We could see river rises with that, but at this stage they are expected to remain below minor level. But with more rainfall to come out west, particularly with that monsoon trough developing, be sure to stay up to date with the latest information if you are travelling through that part of the state. In the afternoon, we'll see showers and thunderstorms becoming more widespread. They could also tend severe with the possibility of heavy rainfall about the southeast and central parts, including around Brisbane, the Gold Coast and the Sunshine Coast. In the west, under thick cloud cover, temperatures a little bit cooler than average for this time of year, but remaining hot right across the east coast, also very muggy before those storms arrive during the afternoon and evening. For Brisbane, a possible afternoon shower or storm, possible heavy falls with 33 degrees, and for Cairns, showers also with a top of 33. Now to New South Wales, showers and storms across the northeast of the state, mostly north of about Newcastle and east of Narrabri. And through the afternoon, we could also see severe thunderstorms bringing heavy rain, particularly about the northern rivers and up towards the Queensland border. A few showers also along the south coast, and they'll mostly start to ease up before getting to Sydney. West of the Divide, we are expecting a dry and sunny day. Warm out west, also remaining warm across parts of the east coast. So for Sydney, a warm day, 30 degrees, a possible shower or two. Sunny in Canberra with a maximum of 28. Now to Victoria, with this cold front moving through in the south, we'll see a few showers in the morning, gradually easing and contracting towards Gippsland through the day. But at night time, with that second cold front moving through Tasmania, we'll see just a few isolated showers developing along the south and southwest coast. But temperatures will be up to 5 degrees below average due to those cooler west to southwesterly winds. It will be dry and sunny, a little bit milder across the north of the state. So 20 degrees for Melbourne, partly cloudy with a possible shower mostly during the morning. Partly cloudy up in Mildura, dry with a top of 27 degrees. Now to Tasmania, we'll see widespread showers in the morning. They'll gradually contract away from eastern districts, but continue across southern and western parts. And into the evening, we will see a second cold front moving through that will reinforce showers and cool conditions across the west coast. We could also see some snow above 900 metres during the morning, but that snow level will gradually rise through the day. For Hobart, top of 18 degrees, possible shower in the morning, clearer during the day, but then a possible shower also coming up again at night. Dry for Launceston with a top of 19. Now to South Australia, we are expecting cloud along the south coast. Very isolated showers will gradually clear up during the day. We'll remain to the cooler side about the southeast, milder further north, but remaining very warm still across far northern parts of South Australia. So for Adelaide, partly cloudy to start off with, slight chance of a shower, but an afternoon breaks of sunshine with a top of 24 degrees. Now to Western Australia, we'll see cloud along the south coast, slight chance of a shower east of about Esperance over towards the South Australian border, but away from that, hot and sunny conditions really starting to warm up, and elevated fire dangers coming through yet again across much of the southwest of the state. Hot for Perth, sunny at the top of 36 degrees, warming up into the low 40s for the northern wheat belt and up into the Gascoyne. We could also see very isolated thunderstorms around the inland Gascoyne up into northwestern parts of the Pilbara. Finally, to northern Australia, we've got this tropical low driving heavy rainfall about the Gulf Coast, possibility of heavy falls and some river rises through that area, and showers and storms more broadly right across the Kimberley and through the top end, but remaining dry and warm across the interior. So 35 degrees for Alice Springs, sunny conditions, showers and storms for Darwin with a top of 30. That's your forecast for today. Stay up to date with the latest information on our website and app. Follow us on social media, and as always, have a great day.